Hi everyone, so for this tutorial I am going to be showing you how to organize blog post ideas with Asana, or at least how I tend to do it and how I prefer to do it. And for the first thing that we will be doing is going to asana.com, or you can also do it with your phone or iPad, but for this tutorial I am going to show you how to do it on the Mac. So the first step is you'll want to create a new project, which I will click right here, and I'm just going to name this Post Ideas. You can name it whatever you like, and just make sure you click Board as your layout and then create project. And now you'll want to think of blog categories, or if you already have some for your blog, then you'll want to create a column for each of those categories. So I will go ahead and start an example of how to do that. And let's do blogging tips for one. Social media tips. And then I'll just do this one, tutorials. And then you just keep on doing that until you list each of your categories. And now when you're creating your category and your blog post ideas, I just want you to think that whenever you think of post ideas, just make sure they fit into one of your categories. It'll make it so much easier, and when I started doing that, like I said, it just makes everything so much easier. So let's say you have a blog post idea that is how to add your email signature to Gmail. I would add this to my blogging tips category. So just as this, how to add your email sigs to Gmail. And just hit enter. And then you just keep on doing that for all your categories. And if you want to assign the task to yourself, you can go ahead and just click this person here, assign to me, and it will be assigned. Now, you can also, by clicking on it like I just did, you can click on due date. And let's say you want to finish writing this blog post like on Tuesday the 19th. Then you have the due date set in your phone. If you have Asana on your phone, it will remind you. And so that's pretty much wraps up this tutorial on how to organize blog post ideas with Asana. And I hope everything is easy to understand, and if not, you can send me a comment below the blog post that I have for this video. And that's a wrap, and I'll see you next time.